Dear students, today I am going to talk about the three equations of motions, that is V equal to V naught plus A t, where V is the final velocity, V naught is the initial velocity, and A is the acceleration and t is the time. Let an object is traveling from this direction, that is AB direction, where at point A its initial velocity is V naught, and after a certain time traveling its velocity is V, that is final velocity is V. So according to the definition of the acceleration, dv by dt, the rate of change of velocity with time. So we can write this A equal to dv by dt by cos multiplication. We will have this. This is if we integrate it within the limit v naught to v and 0 to t. So v naught is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity. So we will have this according to the calculus, where v is the upper limit and v naught is the lower limit. So upper limit, lower limit. So it has been started 0 to t. It has been started velocity, that is 0 to v, v naught to v. So upper limit will be written at first v and lower limit minus v naught. This is the formula of the calculus. This is the process of the calculus. In this way, our upper limit will be written at first, then minus the lower limit. So we will have this. Again, we are going to calculate the v square equal to v naught plus twice s, where s is the displacement of the body. S is the displacement of the body, v naught and v time t. So according to the definition of acceleration, the rate of change of time with so it can be written by this ds by ds has been taken for our calculation, convenient for our calculation. So we can write this, we can write this, where ds by dt is the velocity. So A is the then we will have this by the cross multiplication we will have this. So when we integrate on both sides within the limit 0 to s v naught to v, we will have the same method process, that is upper limit, lower limit, and half has been taken the outside because it is constant. So we will have this twice s v square v naught in this way. Again we are going to evaluate s equal to v naught t half a t square. Again the v equal to ds by dt. We know the velocity is the rate of change of displacement. The cross multiplication, by the cross multiplication we will have this and v naught, v equal to v naught plus at, that is our first equation of motion. Dt by multiply by this term by dt, so we will have this. Now we integrating both sides within the limit 0 to s, where s is the displacement, t to 0 and 0 to t and 0 to t. So by the method of the calculation we will have ds equal to s, this way we will have this. Here the calculation has been given you very clearly, so you can write easily. There is an equation. So thank you very much, dear student. If you practice it consistently, you will calculate or evaluate it very easily. Thank you very much.